you have fun?
Jack, whatever
Jack,
your name is.
yeah. Jack, did you have fun?
Jack's like, I have more fun if I have more crackers. Yeah, so this thing also, what it does is, once I get on Wi-Fi, and I can have it not do it on Wi-Fi, but I just...
Is it car Wi-Fi?
No, gotta see it in 2013. But once the phone's on Wi-Fi again, it'll upload all the videos automatically to YouTube for the dash cam.
Oh, nice.
So that's kind of another handy thing. And it'll also so it tracks my speed and it tracks my GPS, and then puts the. So I'll show you when we stop, but it projects my GPS onto Google Maps.
Well,
So it's pretty handy. And this holder, it's wireless charging. So you just put it in there, it senses that starts to charge, it closes it.
That's all, and then it just self-charges.
It's charging now, yeah. You don't have to plug it in.
That's awesome.
I think this thing was like $20 maybe, or 25.
What kind of phone do you have?
S10 Plus.
Like it?
I would never go and iPhone. I know you guys love your shit, but I have the iPad, but
Right.
Android is so much faster.
Is it? We've been debating.
I mean, I like keeping my iPad. I like having both options, and the iPad's kind of better for like graphic stuff that I like to do. So for like Photoshop and stuff. But I still do like 90% of my Photoshop in my PC anyway. But this is still like the iPad is good if I have to do it for work, especially for work if I do something real quick. But for like just a phone, yeah, I don't necessarily am I that sold on Samsung Galaxy all the time. Although the last like 5 phones I've had have been Galaxy. But I think there's other Androids that are just as good. I've stayed with the Samsung system because that's just kind of how I found it.
Right.
But I think the Google Pixel and the LGs are pretty good too. But yeah, I'd never leave Android.
It's nice.
iOS.
Right. It's nice with the iPhone. Back in the day, nothing really changed with their software. But like the pictures and sharing, you automatically share with your other person, with Heather and stuff like that.
You can do that on this guy too.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying is like that when they first came out with that, that's what got us hooked. It's like it was super easy. Now everybody's converted to it. Like especially with Google being in the picture. So it's kind of pointless now.
The camera on this thing's pretty aggressive too.
That's what I heard.
The camera on the new one, the Galaxy S20, so they skipped 11 through 19. They just went from the S10 to the S20. But the S20's got like 8K, like crazy depth. It's just insane.
That's awesome.
All right, so we took a left into here, right? So we're gonna and scene. Woo, my butt is numb.
You guys feeling a little shaky?
Yeah.
No.
No, I can't feel my butt. Yeah, the pictures I take of this thing are. send you all. I'll just batch you out a bunch of it. But like, that's pretty good for nighttime, you know.
Well, that sucks. Or maybe look like it's whole. Look like his tires went flat.
But only on one side. No, dad joke. Okay, whatever. It's pretty, just
Yeah.
muddy.
Yeah, super pretty.
Yeah, next time we'll maybe plan a little better, but we will figure out a place to go somewhere where we can rent a boat. That, or when you guys come out to LA, we'll just rent a boat and just go around the harbor.
Right. Big Bear's pretty close to you, isn't it?
About as far as you are from Flag. So about an hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on
It's
traffic.
not too bad.
No, but Big Bear's not as nice as Flag.
It's not?
No. No, it's got a big lake, but the lake's, depending on the year, can be almost empty.
Right.
And it's way smaller. You know, it's not like, I don't even think they have like a grocery supermarket. Like, it's just, the biggest thing they probably have is like a couple general stores. It's tiny. Not a lot of amenities. Now, that being said, there are tons of off-road trails, so it's fun to take. Up on the north side, rent a cabin. So there's Big Bear Lake. On the south, there's two communities. One is Big Bear. One is Big Bear Lake, the town of it.
Right.
They're both on the lake.
We went there before a long time ago.
Did you?
Yeah, we stayed with Mark.
Okay. Yeah, I used to go see Mark quite a bit, and then, you know, it's
Yeah,
just
Mark.
hard to deal with Mark, man. Like, before the restaurant was opening, he'd be like, "You're never going to open this restaurant, and you're just wasting everybody's time." And I'm like, you know what? This is hard enough without the negativity.
Yeah. I'm
done. I am just going to do my thing, and I get it's your tumor. I'm not blaming you, but that doesn't mean I have to listen to it either. So you're just an asshole sometimes. You know, I miss everybody, but to some degree, I'm going to kind of be glad when that generation's gone. Like, they left us a lot of grief.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I just could never imagine, and I get Sharon fucked up. Like, I'm not apologizing for her. She's got major, like, mental health issues, major anxieties. I got it. Okay? They all do.
Right.
But I can't imagine, like, not talking to my sibling for years. Like, I'm not talking to Charlie. He's the one that just refused to call me back. You know what I mean? Like, I even look at Charlie. I'm like, really? Like, what's the point of family? Like, why even do it?
Right.
Just it. You know, I couldn't. And my mother, I'm like, I can't. I know. I bring this up all the time. I see it. But it's just like, I can't imagine not talking to him. Like,
Yeah.
Charlie could straight up commit murder.
Right.
And I would be in that prison once a week, checking up on him, seeing how he's doing, telling him I love him, and, you know. But that's it. Like, I don't get it. Like, what could Jack and Lewis ever do where you just be like, I'm done with it?
Right.
Jack wants goldfish.
Can you give them to him, buddy?
Jack wants goldfish.
Okay. How do you ask? Jack, how do you ask? May I have some goldfish, please? Yeah, Lou, can you send them back?
Oh, I thought.
Oh, no, Charlie
So
can't
I
handle
thought
it.
Charlie had. Ha! Look at Daddy throw.
I don't get it. And the thing is, I didn't do anything bad. Like, they got mad because I didn't have the wedding in Phoenix. It's not their wedding. It's just weird.
Yeah.
And just like Richard's sense of righteousness is so corrupted.
Uh-huh.
And that's the other thing too, is Mara, just her thing is like, all she cares about being right. Even if she's wrong, she'll just like bully you down because she can't be wrong about anything.